Good evening, guys. Audible and visible? Okay, that's great. Any other response? Okay. Okay, so we have today 207 attendees, and I just go for the some polls. So let me check. Okay, so most of the people already code. Okay, like 86% has been code before. So that means that class is going to be very interesting one. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So today, guys, we are going to start Python. Okay. So going to do the Python basic Python data structures, how we can build a simple program, simple functions, everything that we are going to do in the Python today. Okay. So let's start. What do you say? Can we start? Ready? Okay. Thank you. So let me share my screen once again. No, guys, I am a veg, so please don't share chicken and mutton emojis. Yeah, screen visible, guys? Okay, so let's start. So this is the online console of Python where we are going to do the basic Python code. Okay, so simple code like there's a print statement in Python. So with the help of that statement, you can do the coding. Okay, simple. Okay, print hello world. Okay, now I'm going to run here and you can see this is a print hello world. So this is basic. Whatever you want to print on the console, you can just type hello world and after that it will just come here. Okay, so but you have to keep make sure yourself so that will be comes into the double quote. Okay, so this is a like for the string purpose. Okay, now if you want to just add the 2 3 4 also, so you have to just keep sure this is like string one, so that's why you have to do something like this one. Okay, so this is basic function. So with the help of that one we can just print whatever you want on the console. Okay, now again print statement. So hello guys, now there will one condition will be happen if I want hello guys and in next line like kind of not this one, I'm not want this one, I want in next line like hello guys. Hello guys should be comes into next line. So with the help of the slash n, okay, slash n, you can just use this. See, slash n hello guys. So this has been done. Hello guys, this hello guys. So with the help of slash n, you can just put the string in the next line. Again, slash n, 2 slash n, 3 slash n. Hello Deepak. 3. Okay, this is 3. Now if I put 1, 2, then this C. Getting my point? So this is how the print statement work and we can just give the slash n and other things. Okay, it understand? Please response. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So now we are going to see the basic data structures. Okay, so data structures. First of all, we go for the what is actually the real meaning of the data structure. When you talk about the data, okay, so there's some kind of the like information that you want to store to computer, or with the help of that program you want to make some changes with that data. So this is the kind of the information or data that you have. But when there is some question arise in your mind how to store the data in computer science or information technology or IT field or programming languages, whatever there, then in that time you have to just take care about the data structures. Okay, how to store the data. So that comes the data structure. Okay, now there's some different types of the data structures are there. Okay, so basic data structure, if you talk about the basic data structures, okay, so there is a two types of data structures. Okay, primitive data structures and non-primitive data structure. Okay, so in that non-primitive data structure, what is happen in that one and the primitive one? The primitive one data structures are is defined by programming language. Okay, and this is defined by user. So this is a basic difference. Okay, this is a basic difference. Okay, now if we talk about the primitive one, then we have the list, tuple, okay, string, okay, string, tuple, dictionary. Array is same as a list is the same as array in other languages. This is also same array with some other properties. String, here it is kind of array of characters. Okay, and dictionary is all about key and value method. I will going to tell you about the what's the key and value. If you know the programming, then you know in early classes or in like other programming languages, key value methods are there, map data structures are there, and associate array is also there. Okay, so this is the basic data structure, and after that we have the integer also. Okay, float. Okay, this one, then double. This is the other data structure that we use in the previous programming languages. But in Python, you don't have to define particular variable. This is the that data structure I am going to use. Okay, so in that one, what you have to do? A equal to 12. Okay, now I'm going to comment it. So comment it here means like you don't want to be just print anything that one, so you can just use the commented for the reading purpose. So just slash hash. Okay, so this one also. Okay, so now you can see a, so a is 12, b equal to 12.2, c equal to, this is a string, then 12.12. Okay, so this is again integer, this is float or decimal, we can say. This is a string. Okay, now you can see I not define anything before the variable. So this is a variable. So what is variable? Variable is which that holds the particular value in that one. So this is a variable. Okay, so it's holding the integer value, it is holding the float value, it is holding the string value, but I am not defining anything before it, any kind of the declaration, definition, nothing I am giving. It automatically just get to know by the programming language of Python which data type or which number or the data has been assigned to the variable. So that has been defined by Python itself. Okay, now we are going to print one by one. Print. Now we already know how to print. So if you want to print particular variable, just print a. So it will just going to print a. See, just comment it out. This one also. See, this is 12. Okay, now we know very well, like with the slash n we can do something like this. So b, now the error has come. Why? Because slash n's only work into the double quote. So if you want to do this, then you have to just use comma, double quote, comma. Okay, see, this works fine. Now after this one, again double quote slash n p. Okay, now you can see, like, without any definition of the data type to the variable, I can similarly access the variables in the print statement. And if I want to do any arithmetic operations, so that also I can do with the help of this simple approach. Okay, but now how I can get to know which data type is available in this variable? So there is one inbuilt function by Python, that is print type of variable name. So type A, type B, type C. Okay, so this is a syntax. If you want to print like one by one, so just put the comma, second variable, comma, third variable. Okay, see, class integer, class float, class string. So this is int, float, string. So you can see with the help of the type inbuilt function, you get to know what's the data type it is, and this is very important function. You should just make things available or easily available in your brain. Like type is a function that used to get to know about the data type of a variable. Okay, so this is a basic one. Now, okay, now what we will do, we have the another data structures are there, okay, which is a list. So how we define the list in Python? So see, this is, I'm just putting the variable name equal to a square bracket and just putting 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so this is basic. Just print it out, this one. Again, I'm just going to just make the comment, this one. Comment means it is not going to be available for the compiling and just putting on the console, or this is your console output. Okay, I'm going to run it. See, now I want to check type of this one. So again, I have the type lst. This is list. So this is a type of the list, type of the data structure that I've used for the LST. So this is list. Now, what is the benefit of the list in Python? If you talk about the in other programming language, that is not available. So that's the benefit in this one, list one. Okay, one. Okay, 1.2, 1.2, 1.1. Okay, and hello world. Okay, 0.1, 11111, and again want to some like big number, then you can put. So this is like kind of the like hybrid data structures. Hybrid data structures values I can put in the single list. See, this is what the this integer, float, string, again float, this is integer. So with the help of this one, I can just make sure like all the different data structures of the values available in this one. Now I'm going to copy this one here and just going to print it. See, this is just printing in single quote because it's the nature to print the things in single quote. So that's why see this. Now I want to get to know and access the particular value from this list. Okay. So what actually happening when you apply this one? So how this list is available in the memory. So it's always start with the zero index. I think the previous guys who did the code in the previous languages, either C, C++, Java, whatever. So it's always start array or list always start with the zero index. Okay. So zero index, it will start. So this is one. Now, if we are going to see, so what is available at 0? 1. What is available at index 1? 2. Is available index 2, 3, so on. Okay, so with the help of that one, I can access the particular value from the list. Okay, the same logic will apply for the this list also. Whatever the list I will create, you have to just make sure this is 0 index, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, so on. Okay, now let's see. Print list. Now how to just make sure like I can access this particular value. So again, square bracket 0. See, just I'm going to comment this one also again for better clarity. See, this is 1. Now if I just change the list, so with the list 1 and value 2, see 1.1. Now see, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. So that's why 1.1. Not like this 1 and 2. No, always start from the 0, 0, 1 and 2. So 1.1. Now you want to know the type of that data structure, okay, that I use. So again, type is a type is a function by the Python lst1 bracket to run. See, this is string. So this is string, we know. Now if it change to 1, then it denotes to 1.2. So it will give the float. Okay. See, now if I just put the 7 here, okay. So see, list index out of range. What that means? 7. 7 means from if we start from the 0, so it is total 8. So 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We only have the till 5 values we can just put. If we put the more than 5 values in the list 1 to access the values, so there is no value available in the list. That's why this error has been occurred. Okay, now if I put 6, then also it will happen. Okay, if I put 5, and no, nothing will happen because there is values there. Okay, if I want to print that value, comma lst1 5 square bracket, this is got it. Now I will just put the sum anything else also at the 7 or 8 position. Okay, now I will give here 7 7. Just run. See the string and this one, this value. So see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 7. Got it? Please response. I think you guys are understanding or not. Please let me know. Okay, thank you. If you guys have any doubt, you can just ask in the Discord channel. Okay, thank you. Yeah, so move to the next data structure. So next one is a tuple. Okay, now if we talk about the tuple one, okay, so there is one difference between major difference between the tuple and the list. That is, once you will define the values in the list, you can make the new values in that list, also remove the values from the list. But if you define the values in tuple once, that will be not going to be delayed until unless it will not define again. Okay, so that makes sense, like mutable or immutable. Okay, taking the example. Okay, see, and want to just define the tuple. So tuple equal to, for that one you have to use the parentheses 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this one, now print pl and type for tpl. Okay, to get to know, sorry, my bad, comma. See, this is tuple and this is this one. My point. And if you want to access the tuples value, so again same logic or same syntax, sorry, same syntax will be used. Square bracket 1, 3, two value 0 and 1. Now if I just put the 5 is out of index because 0 1 2 3, so this is 3, this is 4. So 4 is not available. Why? We are starting from 0. So 0 1 2 3 only. If I just now going to just again run it, so list out of index, now I am just going to put the 60 or the integer or like string value to see. So this has been done. Now I will want to know the type of that one. So tpl 4. So this is string C. Okay, so this is the same. Only if you change this particular syntax square bracket to the parentheses, then the list become tuple, and parentheses to list, so tuple becomes list. So this is the only case you can do. Okay, now you want to change with the help of the programming language, not syntax. Okay, because you are not going to change the syntax now. Okay, so how you can achieve this one? So with the help of, again, there is some pre-built inbuilt or pre-built functions by Python. Print list, sorry, temp list. Okay, so equal to list tuple. Okay, now I'm going to just see the type of this one and going to print it. See, with the help of the list function, whatever the value I will put in that list function, that will convert into the list. Okay, and just saving to the this one. So run it. So just comment this one also. See, this is list and you can see this one. See, and if I just copy this, sorry, just copy this one. See, before that, this is tuple and parenthesis is coming. This is now list and square bracket has been come in the syntax. Okay, so the same logic will be applied for the tuple also. Okay, temp tpl equal to tuple, then list print tpl. Okay, then type tpl, sorry, temp tpl. Okay, run. Now you can see this is now becomes a tuple. Okay, see, comment this one so makes much more readable for you guys. See, parenthesis and tuple. I just make the tuple to the list and list to the tuple. Okay, with the help of the these two functions, list and tuple. Now the question will arise. Okay, how we can do we can change the integer to the list? Let's see what will happen. Int. Okay, so I have the integer value that I defined a. Okay, so this is the a. Now list a, sorry, a print. Always make the habit to know the type of the data type. Okay, oh, list object is not iterable. So guys, what we get to know, we can't change the type of the integer. Okay, just try with the B, not possible. C, not possible. Oh, why it is possible then? This is something new. So I will tell you what actually happened. This is obvious a list. Okay, string is always a list or the array. So what is what? List or the array? Here I told you earlier, array of the characters or list of the characters. So everything is one, this one, this one, this one is character. So this has been just converted to the list. See, 1 2 dot 1 2. Okay, so that's why this converted, because I told you earlier, a string is the array or the list of the characters. Now if I put only the single character, then see what will happen. Okay, single one, a or one, whatever. Okay, B again, because string always put the data into the list format. So that's why it keeps in your in your knowledge, like you have to just make sure yourself, a string or the single characters, always just put yourself in the memory, in the computer memory, in the form of the list. Okay, so this is all about the conversion. Okay, and list, tuple and string. Got it guys? Please response. Okay, thank you. Okay, okay guys. So this is the basic conversion. Okay, so conversion is very simple, very simple. I am going to repeat it again. The conversion to convert particular data type into the different data type that we are going to use. Again, I am explaining. Data type is the integer one or the string or the list or the tuple. So these are the data types, and I want to make the conversion of the particular data type into the secondary or some any other data type. So this is the basic conversion from one data type to another data type. So this is the basic conversion. Got it? So this is a simple approach. Okay, conversion of the data types. So this is the basic one of the data structures. Okay. Now there is one more data structure, dictionary. That's the very interesting one. So let's do that one. Okay. So dictionary. Okay. And you have to define the dictionary. Then you have to use the curly braces. See this one. Okay, so whatever comes inside this one, that Python automatically make sure that this is the basic, the dictionary has been defined. Okay, now dictionaries always put the values into the key or value format. Okay, see how we can just do this one. So first thing, okay, this is the key and this is the value. Whatever comes, this is a column. Whatever comes before column or left hand side of the column, this that will be the key, and after or just right hand side of the column, so that's the value. So this is the key and this is the value, what the value available at this key and what this key map to the which value. So this is the key and value mapping. Okay, take the this one as a basic example. Now again, I want to access the particular value. So with the help of that key, you can access the value. Let me show you how we can do this one. Dictionary, see, key. So key is a key. Okay, I'm just giving the key. Now you can just put anything. Okay, here you can do anything like computer. Okay, computer is the key. I'm putting the value here. Anything you can just put anything, any kind of the number, whatever the string, anything you can just put it. Okay, but to access this value, you have to know the key. If you know the key, then you can access this one, because this value is assigned with this key and this value is assigned with this key, and this is separated by the comma, and this key and value is separated by the colon, and the key and value is separated by the comma. Okay, now if I just put the computer here, see, I got this value. You can just make as much as you want. Okay, the same in the list or the tuple. So again, if I just put the 1 2 3 4 something like big number again and colon here. Okay, now I am putting this one. See, it's not a string, so this is a number. See, I got this one because dictionaries accessed by the key and the value. Got it? Now try with the this one 0. Course, it will not access because the dictionary's format is to access the values based on the key, not on the index. So don't ever try to access the dictionary based on the index that we did earlier in the list or the tuple. You have to do with the help of the key only. Okay, now if I want to get to know the all keys, okay, so with the help of the keys function, I can do this. See, dictionaries keys, key, computer, and this. All keys are available. Now, if I want to get to know values, dix keys and dix value. All the values, all the key. So this is the built-in function of the dictionary. Got it? Got it, guys? Anyone have any doubt? Please ask in the Q&A section. Anyone? No doubts? What if the two keys are same? Okay, let's try. See, we are going to put the two keys. I'm going to just copy this one. This is a nice question. Just print this one. See what actually happened. Nothing will happen. Program is working fine. But what will happen? Now I will show you. See, this is one key. This is the second key. But the values are same. Now I'm just going to change the value. Okay. Now see, value has been updated. If you keep the value of the key or value in the first shot, this one, after that, if your key value is 1, then it is going to update it. Okay, this value has been updated with the this value. Now if I just take this one computer, okay, with the updated value. Okay, now see, value has been updated. So with the help of the this one, you can update inside that one. Okay, so this is the basic thing. This value has been replaced with the this value. Okay, I think you got your answer. Okay, now we are see the next we are going to see alter the data in the list, tuple and dictionary. Okay, so this is next we are going to do. Okay, so let's comment it. 1 second, guys. So now see, we saw the list, tuple, dictionary. Okay, so this is the basic one, and keep this thing in your sorry, in your mind. List, tuple, dictionary, these three data types you are going to use a lot in the machine learning, in the coding, whatever is going to be happen. These three data structures you are going to use a lot. So make sure that you know everything, little things about it. Try to do the coding questions, whatever we are going to assign with whatever we are going to share with you. So you have to do on this thing. Try at your home, your computer, online, Python, idv, whatever you like, but try it. Okay, so because when you do the practice, then only you make yourself comfortable, and make the just practice makes the main perfect and movement also. Okay, so that's why this tuple and dictionary. Got it? Now just take out the list. Okay, so this is the our basic list, and just copy here and paste it here. Okay, so this is the, like, we have the list, run. Okay, so this is the list. Now I want to update the particular index value. Update means replace, change. So this is the means of the update here. lst to equal to 123. Okay, whatever the value, then again I will print lst. See, the value has been changed at the index 2. 2 means 0, 1, 2. That means the third value of the list. So third value of the list, which one? 3. So 3 has been replaced with 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1. So this is all about the updating particular index. Okay, so how to append, how to update the particular index. Okay, now if I want to append the new value in the list, then how I can do this one? Let's see, dot append this one function. Okay, 12. Print, let's see, 12 has been added. Now copy. I'm going to append the 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 values to the this list, and then I'm going to print it one by one. See, values has been appended. See, 1, 1, 12, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 8, 2, 8, 1, 2. So with the help of the append function, you can append the values in the ending only. If you make the changes or change, replace, update the particular index value, then you can do with this type of the logic. Okay, if you want to do the last value append, so with the help of the append, you can do this one. Got it? Any doubts? Okay, some guys are not understanding. If you want at the first, we add the value in the list. We are adding with the help of the append index. If you want to put the values in any index, okay. If we want at the first, then which function? Okay, let's see. Okay, now what we can do at any index. Okay, so see, so what is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Okay, see, now what we are going to do, we are just comment this one. Okay, now run it to see explains error, no error. Okay, so what's the highest one? 6 means 5 index is there. Now what we can do, see, list assignment index out of range. You are just putting the any index that is not available in the list, or the more than the size of the list or the length of the list, then it gives you the error. So you can make sure that only within the index or within the range or the length of the list only you can make the changes. So if you want to see with the 5, so see, value has been updated. So that's the scene. Okay, and if you want to add at the first, so with the help of the 0 index, you can just make the changes at the first. So see, this has been done. Okay, got it? Okay, so this is the basic of this one. Okay, now I told you something about the list and the tuple, immutable and mutable. Okay, we are not able to update the tuple once that has been declared. So what we can do, see, list, let's copy tuple from our print tpl. Okay, so that will print the tuple. Okay, that's done. After that, what will happen, we are going to make the changes in this one. So we know 2 equal to, put the any value like this one and run it. See, tuple does not support this assignment, item assignment. Okay, why? So there's only one reason. I told you earlier, like it is unmutable, so we can't make the changes. Sorry, it is mutable, so we can't make the changes in the tuple. Got it? If I will apply the append function, so there is no append function will be applicable for the tuple. Okay, see, again, tuple does not suppose that item, this one. Okay, just I'm just commenting this one. Tuple object has no attribute append because we can't make the changes in the tuple once it has been defined. If you want to make changes or if you want to add something, then you have to create the new one or the copy the previous one to the other one with the new data. Okay, this is the only thing you can do. See, now the things is working fine. So this operations is not available in the tuple. Got my point? Okay, guys, give me 1 minute. Guys, let's start again. Okay, so this is the basic difference between the list and tuples. Okay, and the operations done in the list and tuple. Okay, this is all about. Now the dictionary comes in the picture. Okay, let me copy the dictionary. Print it. Dictionary. So this is the dictionary. Okay, we already know that this is the, we are changing the values with the this one. Now see, next key, what key we are going to use? Just see, computer science. Okay, now I will print it. Computer science. So with the help of the this one, you can change the value. Okay, so there is also this kind of the thing available in the dictionary, so you can make the changes. Okay, now we are going to see one more thing. Let me see. See what I did the update function now. Okay, so with the help of the update function, the same thing that has been done with this one, I did with the update function. The both things are same. Okay, but the syntax are different, and sometimes we can just make multiple keys updation with the help of the this syntax. Okay, so key has been updated with ABC. Now I am going to update the computer, and here fine. Okay, run. With this statement or this function of the update that applies on the dictionary data structure, with the help of that thing, I can update the two keys similar time or at a time. See, the key value has been updated, computer value has been updated. See, so with the help of that one, that has been okay. So you can make the whatever changes you wanna make, and whatever and how many keys you wanna make the changes, you can do. So this is a key ABC computer world. Okay, so that's all about. Okay, so this is the basic one of the everything data structure that's we know so far. Now we are going to see the string. Okay, see, string, just, oh sorry, str equal to world. Okay, now there is some basic predefined functions in string. Okay, print str. Okay, just see hello world. Okay, now upper, let's try striking. No, I don't think it will work. Yeah, yeah, that, okay, 1 second. This is not supporting. Yeah, no, this one is supporting. Yeah, see. So with the help of the upper, all the letters just converted into the uppercase. Okay. Now string one. Okay. Okay. Now with the help of the tr1 dot lower. So this has been done. Now with the help of the str1 dot title. Okay. So every character of the every word, first letter has been converted to the uppercase and other one are converted into the lowercase. So this is the title. Okay, so this is like the basic operations that we can perform on the string data type. Got it? So this is all about the basic data structures. Okay, so this is the basic data structure like primitive, list, tuple, string, dictionary, integer, float. Okay, non-primitive are like non-defined by the programming language that we are going to see in the next class. Okay, so this is all about the basic data structure. Okay, now let me unshare my screen and just give you the, yes, you can change the name of the key also. Okay, yeah guys, now let me share my screen once again to show you the your assignment of this class, what you have to do. Share my screen. Is screen visible? Please response. Okay, thank you. So this is a basic Python questions that you have to do. Okay, so that's not very big and like hard one. Okay, and the array functions or array questions are there, dictionary questions are there, sets questions. Oh, sets is remaining. Wait, I will go through this one also. List, tuple, string. Okay, so this is the basic questions that you have to do. Now what you have to do, you have to just do all your questions and upload on the GitHub. Okay, and share the link in the Discord. Okay, in the Discord server. Okay, so that will be helpful to you all. Okay, and how do you can access the assignment? So yeah, so drive link that has been shared in your Discord. Okay, so with the help of that one, you can find all the questions list that I just show you on the screen just now. Okay, you will find on the Discord. So let me share the Discord links once again with you guys. Okay, and one more thing, like I want to tell you, start the networking. Okay, because you are just available in the data science field. Okay, so you have to do the networking. Just build your LinkedIn profile, okay, and making the LinkedIn profile useful, and start exploring the people and doing all these things, okay, because networking is very much important to you all. Like everyone wants networking, okay. So build your profile on LinkedIn, make sure like all your skills, whatever the study that you have done so far, you have to do all these things on the LinkedIn. Whatever the things you want to be like have in your mind, like this skills I know, that skill I know, so you should be available that all things in the LinkedIn, so any recruiter or anyone, okay, that can be helpful to get the like whatever the values that you have. Got it, guys? Okay, so make sure like as soon as possible, create your LinkedIn profile, create your resume, upload on the LinkedIn, okay, and start networking. Okay, now we are going to see the sets data structure. Okay, let me share my screens once again. Screen is visible, guys, please respond. Deadline of this assignment should be before the next class. So next class is going to be on the Wednesday, so you have to complete this assignment till the Tuesday. Okay, if it will very good if you complete today or day after tomorrow, okay, so just complete it. Yeah, so now we will talk about the site data structure. Okay, site is a data structure which holds the unique values only. Okay, let's see. Let's comment it this. Try to run it again. Yes, all working fine. So yes, data structure. So this is going to be in the curly braces. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, forget to print it. So this is the set. Okay. Now we are going to see the data type of this one. See, this is the set. Okay. So now just try to put the common values in the set. You can't be do this thing. If you put, then it will automatically just remove this one and keep the unique values only in the set. So this is the nature of the set. Like take the example list 1 2. Okay, I have the list that have the values is something this. Okay, now I will just convert it into set. Okay, so I have the set this temp set. See, only the unique values has been come. All duplicate values has been removed automatically with the help of the set function. So this is a privilege of the set to use it. It only keeps the unique values. Okay, guys. So this is the basic data structure or the like the set that have and make the functionality something kind of this. Okay, understood? Specific format. Okay, no specific format to show, just put the your assignment. You have to just go through the questions, do the coding, upload one by one. Every question should be in one file and just put on the GitHub. And your assignment has been shared with your Google Drive. I'm going to share your Google Drive link once again. Give me 1 minute. So this is your Google Drive link where you will get all your recordings, assignments, and study material, everything. So please bookmark this one, and I'm going to share you again the Discord URL. So please make sure that that will be in your bookmarks list. Okay. Yeah, you have to solve the assignment till next class. There's no issue if you're not able to complete, but it will be very good if you do the things as soon as possible. It will very good for you. Okay, it's help you to make the things better. You have to upload the data, assignment on the GitHub with the create the new repository. Okay, with the naming convention I'm going to share with you. Give me 1 minute. Data science 001. This will be the repository name. Okay, take your time to complete it. Doesn't matter how many questions you are going to complete, but you have to complete it. Okay, so make sure that you can complete it as much as many and upload on GitHub. Share the GitHub link on the Discord server, so that's well easy to check your code and the code quality and every other thing. Got it, guys? And don't forget to make sure your GitHub GitHub profile as well as the LinkedIn profile. And for reference, you can take the my LinkedIn profile. So with the help of that one, you can make your own LinkedIn profile. Okay, guys, any other questions? So we are going to close the class. Please tell me any other questions. You all guys understand everything, whatever we studied. If you don't have the GitHub, then you make the GitHub profile. Take hardly 10 to 20 seconds. Attendance has done on the Discord server. No, it is not compulsory to solve all questions, but it's good if you solve the all questions. Today's webinar available in the drive link that I shared with you. Any other questions, guys? Please feel free to ask. To learn the GitHub, I shared the study material in the drive. So with the help of that one, you can go for that links, understand the GitHub and start doing the GitHub work. to watch the yesterday's lecture, you will get from the drive link that I shared with you guys. Yes, the class is going to be over. Anything else? Any other questions? Let me share the drive links once again for your comfort. This is the drive link. Notes of the lecture will available soon in the drive itself. Yeah, reference video of the GitHub is available in the study material, and the study material available in the drive link that I shared. Other questions? Okay, guys. So don't forget to do your work. Don't forget to create the GitHub profile. Don't forget to create the LinkedIn profile. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. Bye. Take care. Stay safe and happy weekend. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. Hope you guys enjoy the class. Thank you so much. I'm telling once again, don't forget to do the assignment. Don't forget to do the GitHub profile. Don't forget to create the LinkedIn profile, because that's all the things that you are going to do in the future. And also don't forget to do the resume that you have to create and upload on the LinkedIn. So that make sure yourself that you are going to do very much good in the coding and everything. Okay, guys, take care. Bye.